Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good after morning. I'm the mainly digger. And I threw some knives in this video. So in this video, I wanted to work on my accuracy. Well, in general, I wanted to work on my knife throwing accuracy. I compared my accuracy to a toilet bowl rim at a bar room after closing hours. After when the night ends, it's all over. I still hit the toilet. I'm just not getting in the middle. I'm hitting the rim. Um, horrible metaphor. Anyway, so I wanted to work on my accuracy, and I had looked up and a whole bunch of different ideas, tried different things. Nothing really worked until I just decided, hey, take a white piece of paper that I had laying around. Actually, it's from the VA. It's garbage. Put it up there and throw it at the dartboard or throw it at the board and do it. And so that's what I did. So I started off with these little daggers, and then moved up to bigger knives. Um, the daggers, I wanted to get them all on the white at one time, which took a while, took some effort. Raw paper. Hmm. All on paper. All of these knives on there, almost all of them that came in this set. I say almost all of them because I am missing two in my house somewhere, or in my basement. So they can't be that far away. Like they can't. But it was an interesting time. Frustrating, absolutely. And the bigger knives, I have five of them. I got another one in the mail. I wanted to get three on the board. Or not on the board, but on the white piece of paper. And it was fun. It took me a while. You can tell I'm sweating. Put some effort into it. Probably threw out my shoulder. Who knows? My elbow. Completely worth it. Well, now that I'm all sweaty and done for the day, got a couple scratches, a couple bruises, a couple scrapes. Would I suggest knife throwing to anybody? Absolutely. Attention. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. Smooth. Smooth. If you screw up once, you screw up twice, you screw up 3 times, move forward a little bit. Readjust. Your steps. Get your steps. Get your pace. And throwing point. Point of contact. Point of contact. Point of release. All of those. Not in that order. Goal met. Good times. Mainly digger out. I cannot wait till the ground thaws so I can go metal detecting. Still throw knives though. Mainly dig out.